I'm recording this message to you on Sunday evening, so I hope it gets to you in a timely fashion. This video is replacing the regularly scheduled video, which will now come to you on Wednesday. And as I sit here, the Dow futures are down 291 points. The S&P 500 futures are down 36, and the Nasdaq futures are down 119.5. Essentially, I believe that the currency war has begun with the Chinese yuan crashing through the 7 level to a new record low, and global markets appear to be falling as a result of Beijing suspending U.S. agriculture imports. Bloomberg is reporting that the Chinese government has asked its state-owned enterprises, and I quote, to suspend imports of U.S. agricultural products after President Donald Trump ratcheted up trade tensions with the Asian nation last week. And as a result, Chinese state-run agricultural firms have now stopped buying American farm goods and are waiting to see how trade talks progress. Now, although the Chinese are only now formally announcing this recent news, the message from Trump last week was that the U.S. was going to impose a 10% tariff on the remaining $300 billion of goods exported by the Chinese because they effectively had already defaulted on a promise to buy more U.S. agriculture products. In other words, Beijing has effectively devalued the yuan and is launching a currency war with the U.S. And so we can formally say that the trade talks, even the fake kind, are now over, dead and buried. The only question is how Trump will react in the coming days. And the break below 7 for the Chinese yuan is quite a shock to the market. Part of the issue is that the last time China's yuan moved with this velocity, the effects were dramatic for the rest of the global financial markets. So we can watch both gold and Bitcoin move up very quickly, and the U.S. markets will also feel the tremors. So hold on tight, keep your composure, don't make rash decisions, and hold that cash for opportunities. And so for today, that's ChewDog Charts. Thank you, and please take care.